Hi, I'm Ravi, a self-taught fashion designer, learning as I go. Welcome back to my channel, Let's Get Sewing.
Hey loves, welcome to the day in the life of a stay-at-home daughter. I wish. Today is my best friend's birthday celebration. Her birthday was yesterday. I'm so excited. I've been excited since last week. So I'm gonna be doing some prep. I need to shave my head and to do my toes. I got her these flowers. Like, everything in the stores was red. I totally forgot Valentine's is tomorrow, so everything is red. These were the best I could do, but they're pretty though. They're pretty. She loves purple, so there's some purples in there as well. And this is a gift. This is the gift that I got for her. Now I'm just having some breakfast. I made some stir-fry rice, some bell peppers in there, onions, tomato, eggs, some pork. I forgot to add the sesame seeds, but it's okay. It's okay. Let me charge the batteries for the day. Pretty good. I've ironed our clothes. This is what I'm gonna wear today. I'm gonna wear my new top. I'm so excited, but the weather is looking quite gloomy. I am so worried because I don't know what kind of jacket I would wear with this top. Like, what kind of jacket is gonna go with this? It doesn't need a jacket. Anyway, I almost dropped it. Can you see it? Can you see it? This is my ghost dress. I made it, but she has not fitted yet, so I pray and hope when she puts it on, it's perfectly fitting. Okay? Because she only has like 1 hour 30 minutes before we have to leave when she gets here. I want to paint my toes. I'm just gonna do like regular nail polish, and yeah, I also want to shave my head. So she's already on the way. She got off work early, so yay. In case the dress doesn't fit, I have more time to fix it. So I'm just gonna do that, jam to some music, and so let me quickly paint my toes at least before she gets here. Thank you. Thank you. Sorry. What is it? The girl got tips. Yeah. Change the phases. Oh, show us the nails.
Pull up in the ladder, me at a lens and a Prada, yeah. Couple brand new others, all of them fully don't matter, no. 0 to 102, then you saw me flex on you. All up in my section, you, I step on you. Then I get a text come through, so I show you what my legs can do. Sweet melody, wind up your body for me. You love it, baby, girl, you know me need it, need it. Let me fight for it, me achieve it, achieve it.
I eat some lunch, a little snacky snack, because I got hungry.
Okay, so it's now 17:34. I'm gonna try to do my makeup. By 6 I need to be done. In fact, I need to be dressed.
Let's get into it. I don't know why I thought I was gonna start getting ready around 3 today, and it's already like past 5, and I'm only starting to get ready now. So answer is you, please. So let's get going with some jams. Oh, wait,
I've been having a lot of big feelings recently. Like
I never had. I'm so sorry, but I don't make you feel safe.
Bad day, I'm having a very anxious day. I'm very paranoid. I'm very stressed. I have a hangover. Sugar helps. I feel like today is the first day since I lived in that feel lonely. And I never feel lonely. I love being on my own.
So that's today's beats. I am so late. It's 30 minutes past 6. I still need to charge my phone. Oh my god! I just hit my face with my fan. Hope I look good. I hope it just came out good. Like, period. I hope I'm eating. I know I'm eating. Oh flip! I forgot to do my lip, but okay, bye. I'm gonna try this new Eden perfume and just see how it weighs through the night. And I'm mixing it with my usual. I love the smell of this one. I still need to make myself a little bit more shiny, and I'll catch you guys later. I'm trying olives willingly for the first time. They have a familiar taste, but I can't place the taste.
Trust me, you can get it. Pull up whenever. You know I'm with it. Don't get it twisted. Nothing like none of these bitches. But sometimes I get in my feelings. Sometimes I know I be tripping. Picture. Wondering if you even know this bitch for real. Learning that you screw this bitch for real. Baby on a groovy song.